Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone speaker not working by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's dive right into it. Very first thing is make sure your volume is actually turned up. Sometimes the volume may be down. You might see an icon like this. So just turn up the volume as well, just to ensure that your volume actually is turned up, and you don't want to make sure that it's not turned off, and that could be an easy fix for you. Now the next thing, of course, after that you want to check out is that if you have a case on, it can actually block the speaker usually at the bottom here, so make sure that it doesn't get blocked by any chance. And additionally, you want to make sure the speakers are not covered in dirt, lint, or dust that's blocking the speaker. So when you're trying to actually have speaker come out, it may be very low, or you may not get any sound at all from it. So make sure you clean them thoroughly and remove the case and check it out. Now the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is that make sure that your phone is not connected to a Bluetooth device. It may be pushing the speaker sound there. So to check that, you can go into your setting, and from there on go to connections, and from connections here you're going to check on Bluetooth here. A quick test would be just turning off the Bluetooth here. So you can do is go ahead and turn off Bluetooth and then play the sound here. And the other thing you also want to do is try different apps. So if you're using YouTube, or maybe you're on a social media like Facebook, Instagram, or some other app, sometimes the app could be the issue. In that case, it's not the phone. So try different apps, seeing if the sound plays. And for some reason, if you see that it works, but then it tries to connect to another speaker or external device, it may be trying to push the sound there. So you want to go ahead and basically disconnect or forget that device. Now, after you have done that, the next thing troubleshooting is making sure that your phone is not on a do not disturb by any chance. So do not disturb is basically silencing your phone. So you want to check if you have a do not disturb setting up top here. You can usually look for it. It's usually right here. For example, if you had do not disturb turned on, like if I did, you'll see an icon up here. It's going to not have the sound. So you want to turn off do not disturb as well. Additionally, you can also control the sound input here. So make sure your sound is up here as well. And then you can also input things like if you're playing music and stuff, you can change the output setting as well here. Now, let's say you did this, still not working. The next thing to go ahead and just restart your phone. You can use the top menu here to restart it, or you can use the volume down as side button just like this and restart it. A quick restart will fix most related issue. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you're gonna do is go into your setting. Now from the main settings here, you're gonna go to the general management section. Now in the general management section here, go ahead and take a look at reset. And then essentially you wanna go ahead and reset all settings. And this is resetting all the settings. It will not delete all of your data. Your data will still be there, like photos, videos, apps. But important step to do if you're simply having issues with the sound and the speaker not working. Now, let's say you did a reset, it's still not working. It's time to go ahead and update your phone software. So in your setting, just go for software update and then check for update. And if there's an update updated to that version, sometimes there may be multiple updates. So after you update, keep on checking until it says your software is up to date. In that case, you're up to date and it should be working. Now, there are scenarios where these troubleshooting methods are not working. What you can do to further troubleshoot to make sure it's not a hardware issue with the actual phone itself is connected to a Bluetooth speaker or headphone and see if you can get sound from there. If you can get sound from there, that means it could be an actual hardware issue. In that case, you might have to actually get it repaired. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys in the next one.